Hi, I'm Amir Mojarati.
I'm Jack Beggart.
We actually drew on 60mm film for this, but more than a couple thousand frames.
Yeah, it was pretty gruesome.
And it was hand drawn, everything.
Yeah,
The
it
little
was
ball.
handmade. Okay, so it involves found footage because we drew it on an old 16mm episode of Degrassi, if you're European.
Our protagonist is a little ball, and if you can see carefully, he's happy at first, but he turns out to be a little mischievous thing that ruins the episode.
Right. It involves a turf war because the ball is constantly trying to take over the screen at different points.
It's like prolific in the beginning, and then it dies at the end.
There's a collision because the little sweeping hand, you'll see it in the video, like hits the ball and it explodes.
It actually clones itself at one point.
Okay, in the beginning, the ball appears to be very, happy and nice, and then it turns evil and gets red eyes, so it's deceiving you.
The ball invades the screen.
Um,
We incorporate the use of Dino Everett, who's the archivist here at USC.
right, in the film archive, it's pretty
cool. This technique is actually obsolete. They don't really do it that much anymore.
Right, it's like old film.
You don't draw on film anymore.
There's definitely a transformation. The ball transforms, splits, does crazy stuff.
A lot of it doesn't make sense.
It's non sequiturs, yeah. It's just kind of bouncing around, flying.
Degrassi is about age and youth. The ball's kind of shy at first, and he works up his courage and kind of gets bigger. It starts out as a little dot.
Yeah, it's just a little and he seems a little timid.
We assume that he's nice at first, but he turns out to be mischievous. Also, there are stars in Degrassi in our footage that we found.
Yep.
And
at one point, the ball splits into two different balls, and they work together, so like causing mischief together. There's a little mitosis that goes on, so that's cool.
So anyway, thank you so much.